Dinija l-poddan numru 471 fis-sensiela ta' Mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant. Fil-poddata tal-lum se nisimgħu minn Crooks, 215 Collective, Stefan Gallia u Festin. U biex nibdew nadin minn Amber.
Way too many shots of fun last night. Don't remember, but I started a fight. I don't know what the drama's about. All I know is I'm sure I was right. Keep messing up over and over again. My mama keeps asking me when will it end. Just settle down and find yourself a man. But every time I mess it up again. Where the hell will things go? Nobody knows. Everything's up for show, but nobody knows. I messed up, I messed up, I messed up again. I need some salvation, please somebody help. I effed up, I messed up, my life's down the drain. Oh no, Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? I found some pictures of what happened last night. Must admit I got a bit of a fright. I got no clue how the people are, but I send them all Facebook invites. Keep messing up over and over again. My mama keeps asking me when will it end. Just settle down and find yourself a man. But every time I mess it up again. Where the hell will things go? Nobody knows. Everything's up for show, but nobody knows.
Kif intom, il-tajna l-poddatora fis-sensiela ta' Mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant numru 471 illum f'din is-sensiela ssibu l-dettalji u l-poddati kollha bħal dejjem permezz tal-website personali tiegħi li sibuha fuq ToniSant.com fejn isibu wkoll il-videos individwali għas-siltiet li għandna fil-poddata tal-lum bħalma tagħmlu wkoll f'kull edizzjoni ta' din il-poddata. Llum ftaħnija b'silta mis-CD ġdid ta' Amber li jismu Redemption, is-silta li smajna jisimha Last Night. U ngħaddu wkoll għal video ieħor u silta ġdida oħra. Il-video din id-darba mingħand Stephen Levi Vella. Il-grupp huwa Crooks. Smajnihom darba oħra fil-poddata tagħna. Il-silta ġdida tal-Crooks jisimha Smiling Man.
About 5 years ago, I lived downtown in a major city in the U.S. I've always been a night person, so I would often find myself bored after my roommate, who was decidedly not a night person, went to sleep. To pass the time, I used to go for long walks and spend the time thinking. It was Wednesday, somewhere between 1 and 2 in the morning, and I was walking near a police patrol park quite a ways away from my apartment. It was a quiet night even for a weeknight, with very little traffic and almost no one on foot. The park, as it was most nights, was completely empty. I turned down a short side street in order to loop back to my apartment when I first noticed him. At the far end of the street, on my side, was the silhouette of a man dancing. It was a strange dance, similar to a waltz, but he finished each box with an odd forward stride. I guess you could say he was dance walking, headed straight for me. He was very tall and lanky, and wearing an old suit. He danced closer still until I could make out his face. His eyes were open wide and wild, head tilted back slightly, looking off at the sky. His mouth was formed in a painfully wide cartoon of a smile. What the fuck do you want? What came out was a whimper. What the fuck? Regardless of whether or not humans can smell fear, they can certainly hear it. I heard it in my own voice, and that only made me more afraid. But he didn't react to it at all. He just stood there, smiling. The shape of him grew larger and larger. He was coming back my way, and this time, he was running. I ran too. I ran until I was off the side of the road and back onto a better lit road with sparse traffic. Looking behind me then, he was nowhere to be found. The rest of the way home, I kept glancing over my shoulder, always expecting to see his stupid smile, but he was never there. I lived in that city for 6 months after that night, and I never went out for another walk. There was something about his face that always haunted me. He didn't look drunk. He didn't look high. He looked completely and utterly insane. And that's a very, very scary thing to see.
Smiling Man mek minant Crux. Kultan najdalom Crux jena, ma naħseb li Crux hija il-propju isem ta' dan il-grupp. Ma x'tagħmelux. Id-dettalji bħal dejjem kif għandna permezz ta' ToniSant.com fejn issibu wkoll mod mill-aktar faċli kif tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi. Jiena nħu biex dejjem nisma' minn għandkom segwaċi u semmija ta' din is-sensiela ta' poddati, b'mod partikolari meta tixbdu l-attenzjoni għal xi ħaġa li kun forsi anke nista' ninkludi f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati. Anke meta tkun materjal ta'kom stess. Per eżempju hawnhekk din is-silta li miss hekk ġara. Huwa 215 Collective minn għandhom se nisimgħu Chill Bill.
You don't get it, better wait till the shit pop off. Got a thumb right hand, 2 amps top off. I could really care less about a 4-year course. Better spending my day in a battery core. Smoking sessions, no time for lessons. Got time for sections, no time for check-ins. We running up, I forgot to mention. Trying to get it now, motherfucker pension. Heard they stupid talking shit, but Cammy's even with your bitch. Never coming up to this. Already tell you which is which. Anybody down to try? Write a verse and say goodbye. Got these groupies acting shy, yo, trying to, I'm asking why.
Saying that we did it now. Shit's so different now. I just took a look around. Oh wow, whoa. Now my style's so different now. Red wine sipping now, floating in the clouds. I know. I went and rushed a couple things that I should've let breathe. So I'd rather take things so slow. Take things so slow, now you know, hear me out, let's go. It's crazy, we back, we bringing that heat. Envy my flow, it's so easy to see why you hating on this with the highest degree. While we giving these people some real shit to see, real shit to bang. Venomous flow flowing right through my veins to the tip of my fangs. I'm just here to explain, push aside all you lames and those fuckers who try and throw shade on my name. 215 on the motherfucking come up. This shit don't start till we show up.
drowsy, better throw up. Don't know by now, better know us. Who better right now, better show us. I mean it, I rock it, blast off like Team Rocket. I get it, I got it, I'm on like a socket. I'm talking about topics, my mind in the tropics, my body in trenches. See life through my optics, I'm going off options. It's obvious, I got this unstoppable stopping. You better stop trying. We suit and we tying, and never return. I pencil the pistol, we pull up and fire it.
Ġilbil emmek mela minant 215 Collective. Forsi għonek kun tajjeb anka il-nfakkarkom fil-rabta li għanna mal-Malta Music Memory Project tisibu fuq m3p.com.mt. Dan huwa mod kif aħna tal-qas nipprovaw nżommu kemm jista' jkun traċċi ta' dak li għaddej bħalissa biex meta dak li għaddej illum isir il-passat u li modi aħna fil-futur nkunu nistgħu anke forsi niftakru b'xi ħaġa minnu. U forsi anke nibqgħu niftakru lil Stefan Gallia. Stefan Gallia smajni drabi oħra anke f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati hawnhekk kollaborazzjoni bejn Kurt Aquilina, Cyprian Kassar bil-klim tal-Muxu. Broken Promises. Huwa Stefan Gallia.
Things are so different. Nothing is the same. Feels like I'm just existing, but I still hear your name. It's still haunting me. Feels like I can't breathe since you're not here, laying next to me. No need to play pretend. Now you can call it the end. Oh baby go, why'd you have to go? But you just left me here with nothing but fear, and all these days are broken promises. I don't know what's happening. I never planned this part. I never saw it ending. I thought you'd take care of my heart. It's still haunting me. Feels like I can't breathe since you're not here, laying next to me. Oh baby go, why'd you have to go? 'Cause you just saw the end. No need to play pretend. Now you can call it the end. Oh baby go, why'd you have to go? But you just left me here with nothing but fear, and all these days from broken promises. I'm so broken. I'm so broken. Oh baby go, why'd you have to go? 'Cause you just saw the end. No need to play pretend. Now you can call it the end. Oh baby go, why'd you have to go? But you just left me here with nothing but fear, and all these days from broken promises.
Stefan Gallia mekki kanta Broken Promises. Għarribna u koll lejn tibim il-poddata tana l-lum u koll, ma qabel ħallikom xtaqt illi nsemmakom silta minn EP ġdid illi għadu kem ħareċ issa, illi huwa minant il-Group Festin. Festin mhuwiex grupp Malti, imma magħhom idoq il-bejż hemm Oliver De Gabriele. Allura minn żmien għal żmien anke nisimgħu l-Festin u anke proġetti oħra ta' Oliver De Gabriele, pereżempju fil-poddata li għaddiet lil Oliver smajnieh flimkien ma' l-Etnika. L-EP tal-Festin jismu B-Sides, minnu Black Rain. Bissil ta' Black Rain mill-EP B-Sides tal-grupp Festin għana ġena f'tmim tal-poddata ta' l-lum ukoll fis-sensiela ta' mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant. Jiena ma fadalli xejn ħlif li nfakkarkom li d-dettalji u l-kuntatt bħal dejjem huma permezz ta' ToniSant.com. U sa nerġgħu ntlaqgħu darb'oħra jiena minn qalbi nawguralkom is-saħħa.